We are in Racine, Wisconsin, and we have a vintage Otis. Oh wow. This is cool. Oh, it's got the big chunky bumper. I love these. Oh, this is awesome. I knew this town's a gold mine. Oh wow. Do the inch buttons work? No. I wonder if the roto dials. Oh, it works on this floor. We'll ride down to one and call it up. Doesn't really pre-door at all. All right, now, I love that big clunky old bumper. We're gonna call it up and see if the roto dial works. Oh, actually, this is actually a bigger distance than I thought it was. There's our elevator. Awesome. Anyway, we'll watch it close, and that will be it.